Welcome to the future of food production. Here, the essence of nature is refined by the power of artificial intelligence in a multi-million-dollar journey. For the next 904 seconds, we are diving deep into the high-tech world where premium coffee and luxury chocolate are created with precision. Our story begins in the vast fields, but ends in this technological sanctuary where every single bean is tracked by advanced sensors and smart processing systems. I am your guide through this incredible transformation. Get ready to see how million-dollar investments turn raw harvests into the flavors you know and love. Witness the mesmerizing flow of raw ingredients as they meet cutting-edge science. The speed of production here is unmatched, yet the quality remains absolutely artisanal. Notice the rhythm of these machines. They operate like a grand symphony orchestra, each movement calculated to the millimeter for the most efficient output possible today. Everything here is designed for maximum sustainability and flavor. This facility represents the peak of human engineering applied to the most beloved treats on the planet. From the high-altitude plantations to the high-tech digital roasters, this is the ultimate journey of coffee and chocolate. Let us start our deep dive now. We begin at the source. These high-altitude plantations are the foundation of excellence, where every tree is monitored for health and moisture by satellite technology. Human hands have been replaced by these gentle giants. These automated harvesters use vibration sensors to shake only the ripest cherries from the branches instantly. The harvest is fast and precise. Within seconds, thousands of cherries are gathered, ready for the next stage of their technological transformation into premium coffee. This machine does the work of hundreds of laborers in a fraction of the time. It is a marvel of agricultural engineering designed for pure efficiency. Every square inch of this farm is mapped. The onboard computer tracks exactly how much fruit is harvested from every individual tree for future analysis. Resource management is critical in modern farming. We compare every drop used to global standards to ensure we are producing food as sustainably as possible. Instead of traditional flooding, these smart drip systems deliver water directly to the roots. This precision saves up to 40% of water across the plantation. Sensors in the ground talk to the central AI, telling it exactly when the soil is thirsty. This is the harmony of nature and data-driven farming. Moving to chocolate, the process is equally advanced. These cacao pods are the start of luxury. They are harvested with extreme care to preserve the seeds. Technology allows us to see inside the fruit before we even pick it. Infrared scanners ensure that only perfectly ripe pods are selected for the factory. Fermentation is where the flavor develops. These temperature-controlled boxes use probes to maintain the ideal heat, ensuring consistent quality in every single batch produced. Sun drying is traditional, but here it is monitored by weather sensors. If a single drop of rain is detected, the automated covers close immediately. Even at the farm level, machines are sorting the harvest. Only the densest and most flavorful beans make the cut for the multi-million-dollar factory journey. Sustainability is baked into the process. The water used to wash the beans is filtered and reused, creating a circular system that protects the local environment. These beans are now ready for the transformation of a lifetime. They carry the essence of the soil, ready to be unlocked by advanced industrial science. Every sack is digitally tagged. From this moment on, the factory's AI knows exactly which tree these beans came from, ensuring complete transparency and origin tracking. We are leaving the highlands and entering the heart of the machine. This is where the real magic of industrial engineering and AI processing truly begins. The air is filled with the aroma of potential. Thousands of pounds of beans move through these tubes every hour, guided by a sophisticated central control system. This is the front line of quality control. Lasers scan every single bean, identifying and removing imperfections at a speed that is far too fast for human eyes. Imagine checking 10,000 beans every second. That is the power of this technology. It guarantees that only the perfect specimens move forward to roasting. This is the brain of the factory. Engineers monitor every variable in real time, ensuring that the transition from raw bean to finished product is flawless and efficient. The roasting process is where the soul of the coffee is born. These green beans are about to undergo a chemical transformation driven by precise heat application. We do not just roast, we follow a digital profile. The AI adjusts the temperature within zero point 0.1 degrees to match the specific characteristics of this bean batch. As the heat rises, the beans change color. This is the Maillard reaction, a complex series of chemical changes that create the deep flavors we all crave. Using thermal imaging, the system ensures there are no cold spots. Every bean receives the exact same amount of energy for a perfectly uniform roast every time. The smell is incredible. These beans have reached their peak flavor profile. Now, they must be cooled rapidly to lock in those precious aromatic oils and compounds. Speed is essential here. By cooling the beans in under 3 minutes, we prevent over-roasting and preserve the delicate notes that make this coffee truly premium. Consistency is king. Sensors verify that the moisture levels are exactly right. This data is fed back into the AI to optimize the next roasting cycle. These silos are filled with nitrogen to prevent oxidation. We go to great lengths to ensure that the freshness is preserved until the very last second. Grinding is a science of surface area. Our precision grinders use diamond hard rollers to ensure every particle is the exact same size for perfect extraction later. Quality control never stops. Every hour, samples are taken to the lab to verify the particle size distribution and chemical composition of the ground coffee. Even with all this tech, the human palate is the final judge. I'm tasting the result of millions of data points, and it is absolutely perfection. The AI analyzes the flavor nodes, matching them to our target profile. If it is not a perfect match, the system adjusts the roasting parameters automatically. Now let us switch to the art of chocolate. The roasted cacao beans are cracked open to reveal the nibs. Thus the pure essence of the chocolate world. This winnowing machine uses air pressure to blow away the husks. What remains are the nibs, packed with intense flavor and natural antioxidants for the process. These nibs are the building blocks. They are crunchy, bitter, and full of the oils that will eventually become the smooth chocolate we all love to eat. The nibs are ground between heavy rollers until the friction melts the natural fats. This creates chocolate liquor, a pure, intense liquid that is the heart of chocolate. Look at that texture. This is pure cacao. There is no sugar yet, just the raw power of the bean transformed into a flowing, aromatic liquid gold. This is where the magic happens. These conching machines will stir and aerate the chocolate for up to 72 hours to achieve ultimate smoothness and flavor. Conching removes unwanted acidic notes and coats every tiny particle of cocoa with fat. It is a slow, expensive process that separates premium chocolate from the rest. The recipe is strictly controlled by the AI. Each ingredient is added at the exact right moment to ensure the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. We are aiming for a particle size smaller than 20 microns. That is so small that the human tongue cannot detect individual grains, only pure, melting smoothness. It is mesmerizing to watch. This rhythmic mixing is essential for developing the complex bouquet of flavors that define our signature luxury chocolate blends today. Even the texture is checked under a microscope. We ensure that the cocoa butter is perfectly distributed, which is the secret to that iconic chocolate snap. Did you hear that? That snap is the sign of perfect tempering. It means the crystals in the cocoa butter are aligned perfectly through precision temperature control. Tempering is a delicate dance of physics. The chocolate is moved through 4 distinct temperature zones to create the most stable and beautiful crystal structure possible. Now the chocolate is ready to take its final shape. These molds are pre-warmed to prevent thermal shock, ensuring a brilliant, mirror-like finish on every bar. Vibration is key. It forces any trapped air to the surface, leaving the inside of the chocolate bar perfectly solid and free from any unwanted air pockets. The cooling tunnel is 100 feet long. The temperature is dropped gradually to ensure the chocolate sets perfectly without losing its beautiful glossy surface shine. Demolding is the moment of truth. Perfectly tempered chocolate shrinks slightly as it cools, making it pop out of the mold with ease and a stunning glow. Every single bar is inspected by AI vision. If there is a single scratch or a tiny bubble, the bar is rejected and sent back to be remelted. Nothing is wasted here. The shells we removed earlier are now being turned into fertilizer, which will be sent back to the farms to grow more cacao. This is the true meaning of a modern superfactory. We use technology not just for profit, but to ensure the entire life cycle of our product is sustainable. We move to the final stage, the packaging line. This is a high-speed ballet of robots and wrapping machines designed to protect the flavor and aroma. These robots work faster than the human eye can follow. They handle the delicate chocolate with extreme care, ensuring that not a single fingerprint ever touches it. For the coffee, the packaging must be airtight. These machines flush every bag with nitrogen before sealing it, guaranteeing that the coffee stays fresh for months. See this little valve? It allows the coffee to breathe without letting oxygen in. It is a small piece of engineering that makes a massive difference in quality. Every box gets a unique identity. This QR code allows the customer to trace the chocolate back to the specific farm and even the date it was roasted. Technology creates trust. By scanning this, I can see the entire history of this bar. Transparency is the new standard for the modern, conscious consumer today. Precision extends to the labels too. UV sensors ensure that every sticker is placed within 0.5 millimeter of its target for a perfectly professional look. If a box is even 1 gram light, it is automatically rejected. We ensure that every customer gets exactly what they paid for with 100% accuracy. We are moving away from traditional plastics. This packaging is made from cornstarch and is fully compostable, yet it keeps the coffee perfectly fresh and aromatic. The final step in the factory is the palletizer. It builds perfect stacks for shipping, optimizing the space in every truck to reduce our overall carbon footprint. These driverless vehicles navigate the warehouse using lasers. They are part of a fully integrated ecosystem where human error is almost entirely eliminated from the logistics. We even test the packaging's limits. We simulate the harshest shipping conditions to make sure your chocolate arrives in perfect condition no matter where you live. Powering a super factory requires massive energy. Our roof is covered in thousands of solar panels, providing over 60% of the electricity used in this building. We track every kilowatt. The goal is to become carbon neutral by the end of the decade, proving that high-tech food production can be environmentally friendly. This is the intersection of nature and technology. We are using the tools of the future to preserve the flavors of the past for generations to come. As the sun sets, the factory continues to hum. This 24/7 operation is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless desire for the perfect cup of coffee. After 900 seconds, we have seen the journey from soil to shelf. The technology is impressive, but the taste is the true hero of this story. It is a journey of millions of dollars, thousands of sensors, and countless hours of refinement. All of it exists to bring you this one perfect moment of flavor. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world's most advanced coffee and chocolate factory. We hope you enjoyed every single second of it. 904 seconds to witness the future. 2 global favorites, reimagined through technology. 1 sustainable path forward for the entire world to follow together. Until next time, keep exploring the hidden science behind the things you love. There is always more to discover in the world of high-tech food production. Innovation never stops. We are already working on the next breakthrough to make your favorite treats even better, more sustainable, and more delicious than ever before. The perfect blend of science and art. This is the Super Factory Experience. We will see you in the next episode for another amazing industrial adventure. Produced with the latest in industrial cinema technology, special thanks to the engineers and farmers who make this incredible journey possible every single day of the year. The future is bright, and it tastes like chocolate and coffee. Goodbye for now, and stay curious about the amazing world of modern technology and food. Even at the microscopic level, technology ensures perfection. We monitor the crystal structure of cocoa butter to guarantee that signature melt-in-your-mouth experience every time. Artistry meets automation. These robots can replicate the most intricate hand-decorated patterns with perfect consistency, making luxury accessible to everyone around the entire globe. Cocoa butter is the secret to silkiness. But our high-pressure cold presses extract the purest fats without damaging the delicate flavor compounds found in the beans. Fermentation is no longer left to chance. Our AI monitors the microbial activity in real time, ensuring the perfect flavor precursors are developed in every batch. We capture the essence of coffee through centrifugation. These concentrated oils are used to enhance the aroma, ensuring that every bag smells like a fresh roast. Protective packaging is a high-speed miracle. This gold foil reflects heat and seals in freshness, moving at speeds that would be impossible for any human. Even our shipping crates are revolutionary. Made from mushroom roots, they are stronger than plastic and fully biodegradable, reducing our environmental impact even further. Our vertical warehouse uses 90% less land. Robots navigate this maze with ease, retrieving any box in seconds for immediate shipping to our customers. A happy workforce is part of the system. We use the same high-tech products right here in our factory cafe, fueling the people behind the machines. Density matters for texture. This sensor ensures that the ratio of air to chocolate is exactly right, giving our chocolate that light and airy yet rich feel. We return water to the environment cleaner than we found it. Our multi-stage filtration system uses ozone and UV light to purify every drop we use. The future of chocolate is inclusive. In our research lab, we are using molecular gastronomy to create plant-based options that taste just as rich as traditional milk chocolate. Beyond solar, we harness the wind. This turbine helps us stay off the grid, making our factory a truly self-sustaining island of modern industrial innovation. In every drop, there is a story of million-dollar technology. From the soil of the high plateaus to the final molded bar, perfection is our only standard. We never forget the people. This technology supports thousands of farming families by providing them with the data and tools they need to grow better crops. That aroma is the result of our vacuum sealing technology. It locks in the volatile compounds that would otherwise be lost, ensuring a sensory explosion for the user. Control is at our fingertips. With a simple touch, we can change the flavor profile of an entire ton of coffee, reacting instantly to any market trends. Efficiency is beauty. These pods are filled and sealed in less than half a second, ensuring that the ground coffee never has a chance to oxidize. This is the final result, a masterpiece of engineering, sustainability, and flavor, ready to be shipped anywhere in the world to bring a moment of joy. Our commitment to the planet continues on the road. This fleet of electric trucks ensures that our products are delivered with zero emissions to our distribution centers. We have come full circle. This factory is more than just a building. While it is a vision of how humanity can produce food in harmony with the earth, technology is just a tool. It is our passion for quality and our respect for nature that truly drives everything we do here at this super factory. The impact goes beyond the walls. By investing in technology, we create better jobs and support the local communities that have been part of our journey since day one. We are even testing indoor farming. These experimental plants are grown in a perfect environment, helping us understand the future of coffee in a changing global climate. A perfect score for the planet and for the palate. This is the new standard of excellence that we strive for in every single second of production. Thank you for joining us on this 904-second journey. May your next cup of coffee and bite of chocolate be even more meaningful after seeing this journey. Experience the future of flavor today. This has been a deep dive into the world of super factories. We will see you next time for more innovation.